Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a few essentials: model, Android version, and at least 500 MB free storage so updates can apply. Once done, restart the device to clear transient errors and make sure you're in normal mode. Now go to Settings, then Apps, and locate Google Play services. You're starting inside the correct app panel so you can inspect permissions and storage. This avoids guessing and saves time when you move to cache and updates in the next steps. You should force stop Google Play services first to halt any crashing process. Next, clear the cache. If crashes continue, clear storage or app data. This resets the service without reinstalling. Once cleared, open the Play Store and update Google Play services and Play Store itself. Updates often include bug fixes. Make sure essential permissions like location, storage, and network access are enabled so system components can interact. After updates, reboot to allow services to relaunch cleanly and stabilize. You finish by rebooting and observing Play services for a few minutes. Many issues resolve after a clean restart. If the error persists, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a stable base and then update again, or sideload the correct Google Play Services APK that matches your Android version and architecture. Make sure to test in safe mode to see if a third-party app caused the conflict. If safe mode fixes it, remove recently installed apps. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.